Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. As you can see with that black Rubicon sticker. It's got an awesome sport hood. Sorry, it's a little chilly out, but turning signals here in the turning signals and marker lights in the front fender here that is painted. We got the heavy duty bumper put on there by Rocky Ridge with the red tow hooks. We got the fog lights here on the front. You got your winch. This is a synthetic rope winch. Nice license plate bracket there. I really like how they do that now versus one that just sticks in there. Makes it a little less easy to be stolen or broken. Color matched. Does have an LED bar, LED bar right here in the stinger. 3-inch lift, Bilstein shocks. It looks like we have some all black 18-inch wheels, 35-inch tires, heat reduction fenders, the infab running boards here. Something to keep in mind about a Jeep: the top is removable in 3 pieces, 2 in the front, 1 in the rear. So if you just wanted to take the front off, that's an option as well. Let me try to open the door again. Doors are also removable. Every Jeep Wrangler. So inside here, I want to touch on this red stitching. Sorry, they do that all over the car in the dash. I really like how they do that on this Rubicon. You got the power mirrors, locks, windows are in the center console actually. Premium leather seats. Again, here's the red stitching I was talking about. Real nice, high quality Rubicon stitching there. I like how they got the red on the dash, got the red on the steering wheel. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. Red gauges. So we got a touchscreen radio here. That's going to allow you to see everything, you know, like controls for your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and you know, your radio, backup camera, and that such. Everything basically that you can control right here, you're going to be able to control from the radio as well. They just want you to have, you know, some more easy access options. We got your windows, as I mentioned, a little media center, 4 stock auxiliary ports that are plug and play to this vehicle. Again, this is a 4-wheel drive vehicle. Cruise control, different settings here for your gauge cluster. Also, hands-free options, very important. We got the controls on the back of the steering wheel for your preset channels, and on the other side there's one for volume. Take a look in the back seat. Rubber floor mats, something I didn't touch on in the front, but they are in the front. These are factory Jeep ones, real nice slush mats. They got like a topography look to them. You got your power windows here, rear climate, some different charging options. Got your 115 down there. I really like what they did with the center console on these, on the back seat. Add a couple cup holders there on the headrest. Something I like about the Jeep too, as well, I mean, these back seats fold down. So if you have something that you're hauling back there, you got a couple dogs, and you know, want to fill up this whole space back here, you know, go ahead and let the seats down. You got plenty of room back there. Taking a look in the back here, we have a color matched bumper. We got some black tow hooks. If you got like some 4-wheelers or something, you'd be able to tow a small little boat, or all set up to tow there. Full size spare with the backup camera. I'll try to open this door up as far as I can. Let's see here. Maybe I can get that open. Nope. So we'll hop in here. Again, these back seats do fold down. You got some space here underneath. Some storage area if you want to put tools or a jack or something in there. All the bolts for your door hinges, roof, windshield can all be simply stored right there in the back. Really convenient. Rocky Ridge badging. Really, really nice Rubicon. It's going to make someone a great vehicle. Again, this is a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28747T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit the website, sherrychrysler.com.